Hi there, this is a quick video on how to share your onDiem profile on social media. So to grab your profile link, you'll come up to the top right and click the sandwich menu. And we're going to jump in right into your profile. From there, we're going to click on the three dots here, and we're going to click on copy profile link. That's going to attach the link to your clipboard so you're able to paste or share with whomever you like. For this example, we're going to share on Facebook. So when sharing on Facebook, you want to make sure that you provide some content around what the link provides for your friends or peers. For example, hi Dr. Smith, I see that you're in need of a temp RDH for this date. Staffing shortages have been a real dilemma for dental practices. Have you tried onDiem? They are a nationwide staffing platform that helps practices source dental professionals for permanent and temporary shifts. You can book me directly through onDiem for this shift. Click my link below to sign up for free and receive discounts and special savings. And that's where you would paste that link that you just copied. And that's going to populate a thumbnail for you as well. And as you can see, it's going to populate an image that looks like this. So you may be wondering, what happens when an individual clicks on this image or clicks on your link? Let me show you what that looks like on their end. That's going to drop them right into your profile here. If you haven't completed onboarding, they won't be able to book you. But if you've completed onboarding, you'll see a contact or connect with Sam here. You also want to make sure that your profile is complete with the profile picture, a personal bio, your availability, work experience, factors such as education, specialties, certifications, and softwares. If you don't have your profile complete, this is what a user will see on their end. No image, no personal bio, no availability, no education, specialty, certifications, or software named. So this would make it tough for a practice to want to book you for their shift. So make sure that you do fill out your profile by coming up to the top sandwich menu, going to profile, and entering the data that it asks for. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@onDiem.com. Thank you.